Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning how to add shadow to an element using CSS. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. CSS shadows can be applied as text shadow, applied to all text elements. Box shadow, applied to all elements except text elements. By using we could apply one or more shadows to the elements. Example. Text shadow, 2px 2px 4px red. First, 2px spreads color horizontally. Second, 2px spreads color vertically. Third, 4px spreads blur effect. Same applies to box shadow property as well. Now let's see a quick demonstration. Now we have added one shadow to the text elements. We can also add multiple text shadows of different color by just adding a comma. Same applies for box shadow as well. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.